What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this episode of Friday Favorite Finds for the week of January 31st, 2025. This is actually our second time filming this today. Usually we just do the one take, but Justin might have had the camera on slow-mo, so...
Recorded the entire thing in slow-mo and it ended up being like 30 minutes long.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to this episode of Friday Favorite Finds.
So we're going to go through this again as if it's the first time. My name is Mason. I am the inventory specialist.
My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
And what this series is that we go through the Friday newsletter with y'all and show y'all in person what each item looks like. So without further ado, let's get into it.
All right, first things first, we've got the Cheerful Cheeks Friday Bundle featuring a 24-inch panel. This is curated from Blank's Cheerful Cheeks collection. This is featuring patterns such as foxes, porcupines, deer, raccoons, leaves, pine cones, mushrooms, a 24-inch panel, and a border stripe in colors of orange, brown, gray, cream, and black. Make sure to make yourself smile with this week's Friday Bundle.
First collection we have today for y'all is from Moda. It is the Sandalwood collection. We have the 108 wide quilt backing, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, jelly rolls, mini charm packs, the Same Sky box quilt kits, and also the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are florals, paisleys, and berries in colors of blue, red, teal, pink, cream, and gray. So make sure to stroll through a field of flowers with Sandalwood.
Next, we have a very cute collection called Berry Sweet from Timeless Treasures. This features the fat quarter bundles, Let's Do Lunch table runner kits, and the full collection of yardage and patterns such as strawberries, blooms, leaves, stripes, and plaids in colors of blue, pink, red, green, and cream. So make sure to sweeten your stash with Berry Sweet.
Next collection we have for y'all is actually a Batiks collection from Wilmington. It is the Starlight Batiks. We have the 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, the Starlight Quilt Kits, and some assorted yardage. The patterns for this collection are daisies, circle dots, flower petals, leaves, paisleys, and cheetah prints in colors of gray, blue, cream, black, and tan. So make sure to create something out of this world with Starlight Batiks from Wilmington.
Next, we have a collection that's buzzing right now called Bees and Blooms from Wilmington. We've got the 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, the tote bag kits, and the celebration quilt kits, as well as the full collection of yardage. We have patterns such as bees, florals, words, honeycombs, and plaids and colors of yellow, blue, white, and gray. So if you like the look of this collection, make sure to make a beeline towards our website and check out Bees and Blooms from Wilmington.
Next item we have for y'all is a kit that's currently on sale. It is the Ocean Shimmer Quilt Kits from Studio E. Finished size for this quilt is 60 by 61 inches. The original price for this kit is $110.96, but we have it on sale for you at $59.96. So big old sale on that thing, so make sure to dive into the savings with the Ocean Shimmer Kits from Studio E.
We've got a very beautiful collection called Morning Blooms from Wilmington. This features 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, the Morning Blooms kits, as well as the Hopscotch kits. And we also have the full collection yardage. This collection features butterflies, florals, stripes, watercolor textures, and a sampler print in colors of purple, blue, and cream. So make sure to spread your wings using Morning Blooms.
Next collection we have for y'all is a collection we don't want y'all to miss out on. It's from Timeless Treasures. It is the So Far So Good collection. We have the fat quarter bundles and also the full collection of yardage, but it is kind of small. The patterns for this collection are scissors, spools, and pin cushions in colors of red, green, blue, yellow, and black. Make your project so special with So Far So Good from Timeless Treasures.
As always, we've got the January bargains. This is a page on our website that features anything such as remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else. So make sure you're checking daily because we are always adding stuff to this page.
Next, of course, we have the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. And this week we have Margaret, who says, I love the decor. I was going to say something about changing it, but saw that Barbara had commented on it. It's hard to know when to change, but with all of the snow and cold throughout the country, it's nice to see hearts. Love the fabrics too. Well, Margaret, we just want to say thank you for your comment and thank you for watching our show. We very, very much appreciate it. And yes, we also do love the decor. It changes up the scenery quite often. It gives us some new vibe whenever we come in here and record. We are also feeling the snow and cold around here. Not too much snow, but very, very cold. I know down at the beach in Houston and whatnot, they got snow on the beach there, which is quite crazy. We're looking forward to warmer temperatures and warm weather and clear skies and whatnot. So got these hearts up here and it makes us think of y'all. because y'all are in our hearts. So we just very much appreciate y'all watching. And thank you again, Margaret, for your comment.
With all that being said, we just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified every single time we upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. You might be featured for Comment of the Week. And make sure to follow us on social media. All the links will be down below. With all that being said, we will see you next week for another episode. Bye.
See ya.